Honor 200 Pro just launched today. Fast refresh rate, brightest OLED display, flagship grade processor, superb in design, SLR level camera setup, fast wired and wireless charging, and many more. Today I am going to show you unboxing and first impression of Honor 200 Pro. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon. For more amazing tech videos, let's start with unboxing the Honor 200 Pro. Here's the box. We cut the plastic wrapping and open the lid. Inside, we find a 100-watt power adapter with a Type A output. Along with that, there's a data cable, a transparent case, a SIM ejector tool, and a user manual. After removing the plastic from the phone, let's talk about its design and build. The Honor 200 Pro has camera-centric specs this time. So, here's the first look at the Honor 200 Pro. This time, the phone's design is superb. It comes in blue, pink, white, and velvet black color options. You can also see how thin the phone is. It's just 8mm thick and weighs around 200 grams. Holding it in one hand feels really nice due to its slimness. Looking at the exterior, as I mentioned, it's thin and lightweight. The design resembles the Honor 100, but this time, the camera module is more symmetrical. However, it's not as large as flagship phones, it's relatively smaller in size. This moonshadow white color is unique. The back of the phone has one-of-a-kind textures that create different reflection effects under various lighting conditions. The white color looks quite attractive. The front design of the Honor 200 Pro is classic, with a screen that's quad-curved. The display effects are really good. You'll find the camera and sensor in the center. Plus, the phone has an accurate air gesture recognition feature, which you'll get used to pretty quickly after using it for a bit. This time, the screen comes with an upgraded Oasis eye protection feature, along with a 3840 Hz high-frequency dimming feature. So, the eye protection is really good. Additionally, the phone boasts a natural color display. It also has a global max brightness of up to 1600 nits, providing excellent visibility whether indoors or outdoors. Now, let's talk about the biggest upgrade in the Honor 200 Pro. This time, it features a 50-megapixel 1.3-inch large sensor, offering hardware and camera algorithm upgrades compared to previous versions. Here, you can see some sample photos. The colors look natural, and the dynamic range is superb. The HDR performance is also really good. So, the camera is an all-rounder. Even in high-contrast scenes with light and dark areas, you'll get great photos. Outdoors, in sunlight, you'll get excellent photos too. This time, the phone also uses a new image algorithm, enhancing picture optimization. In addition, both the main camera and telephoto camera of the phone support optical image stabilization. This means you won't get blurry or shaky pictures here. Moreover, this time, the phone offers several portrait photo filters, providing 3 different shades in the photos. Compared to other phones, the Honor 200 Pro delivers really good portrait photos. You'll notice nice light and shadow effects on faces. Plus, there's a beautification algorithm included, enhancing the overall look of the photos. And the bokeh effects, or blur effects, in the photos look quite natural too. Furthermore, the textures in portrait mode also appear better. Overall, the camera of this phone stands out as outstanding. Speaking of performance, the Honor 200 Pro is equipped with a Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 processor. Additionally, this time, the phone features a stainless steel VC vapor chamber, enhancing its overall heat dissipation capacity. When playing heavy games like Genshin Impact at high settings with 60 FPS on the Honor 200 Pro, the average frame rate stays around 60 FPS even after playing for about 20 minutes, showing good stability. During gaming sessions, the phone's temperature reaches up to 42 degrees Celsius. This indicates a balanced overall performance. As for the battery, the Honor 200 Pro is equipped with a 5200 mAh battery. It supports 100W wired charging for fast charging and 66W wireless charging for convenience. Charging the battery from 0 to 100% using wired charging takes around 40 minutes. In this price range, wireless charging support is not commonly found in many phones, making it impressive for the Honor 200 Pro. Speaking of pricing, the base variant starts at 34.99 Chinese yuan in China, which translates to around £378 in the UK and up to $483 in the USA. In conclusion, the Honor 200 Pro boasts an outstanding camera and an excellent screen with impressive eye protection features. It offers long battery life, along with a thin and lightweight design. Heat dissipation is also notably improved, and the overall performance is commendable. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comments section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching, have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.